Good morning students. Today also we are going to discuss about some models in areas. Let us now the first one, find the area bounded by the curves y equal to under root of 5 minus x square and y equal to modulus of 1 minus x. Okay students, let us now take first the curve. What is the given first curve is y equal to 5 minus x square under root of. Dear students, when it is squaring on both sides, we got y square equal to 5 minus x square. Okay. Now this is sending to the other side. We got x square plus y square equal to 5. Okay students, now draw the x and y axis. Dear students, first we take, this is the horizontal line and this is the vertical line is the y axis. Point of intersection is the horizon, x axis. Okay students, now when we are taking the y equal to 0, undoubtedly x is the plus or minus root 5. Dear students, the circle cuts the x-axis root 5 comma 0. Here also the minus root 5 comma 0. Dear students, this is the root 5 comma 0. Now this is also 0 comma root 5. Okay students, now we are taking the y is 0, x is also root 5. Now this is, we are taking this graph only. Dear students, what we are taking here, this is the only semicircle. If you are taking the complete circle, no problem, but given that y equals to mod of 1 minus x, y equal to mod of 1 minus x. Dear students, this is the root 5, undoubtedly this is must be 1. Okay students, now we can write y equal to mod of 1 minus x. That means when x is less than 1, dear students, when we are taking x is less than 1, undoubtedly when x is less than 1, then it will be the, we can think here, this is 1 minus x is there. When we are taking x is greater than 1, suppose we are taking the 2, that is a minus. Therefore, when it is less than 1, undoubtedly we got this is 1 minus x. When if x is greater than or equals to 1, we can write x minus 1. Okay students, therefore here x is greater than or equals to 1, it is a positive. 2 minus 1 positive. 3 minus 1 positive, 0 positive. When we are taking the minus 1, minus of minus plus 1. Okay students, now here the two curves are there. One of them is 5 minus root of x square. The another curve is mod of 1 minus x. Okay students, now we are squaring on both sides. When we are taking squaring on both sides, dear students, we got this is 5 minus x square equals to, this is 1 minus x whole square. Now we are looking to find the intersecting values. Dear students, here this is 5 minus x square, 1 plus x square minus of 2x. This is students, we can sending other side 2x square. Now this is minus 2x minus 4, 0. Now this is x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Dear students, we can write this is, how to write this one? X plus 1 into x minus 2. These are the factors. Okay students, we are getting x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. The curve, both curves are, the line and the curve, both are intersecting at x equal to -1 and at x equal to 2. Dear students, when x is 2, we can think when x is 2. Dear students, when we are taking x is at 2, undoubtedly when x is 2, y is also, when we are taking x is at 2, y must be 1. This is the point 2 comma 1. Okay students, when we are taking x equal to -1, dear students, when we are taking x is -1, undoubtedly the y value is the 2. Y value is the 2. This is the -1 comma 2. Therefore students, now we can write the mod of 1 minus x is the graph like this. This is, okay students, when we are writing, this is the graph of, the here, this is when greater than 1, that is x minus 1. This is y equal to x minus 1 students. This is y equal to x minus 1. This is y equal to 1 minus of x. This is the y equal to 1 minus of x. So students, now this is our required area. Okay students, this is our required area. Okay, how to find this required area is, first I will find, dear students, please observe here. Now I find the required area. Dear students, how to find the required area is -1 to 2. Integral first I take -1 to 2. Okay. The -1 to 2. This area, I first find this area. This area students. So what I marked here, the complete this part area. Okay students, first I have to find this region. Okay students, so how to find that one? That is the y -1 to 2 under root of this curve is y dx is there, root of 5 minus x square, root of 5 minus x square. Dear students, we got that is a 5 minus of x square into dx. In that we have to subtract this area. Dear students, what is the length here? Height is, this is the height 2, this is also 2. Now this is also the distance 1, this is also 1. Dear students, we can subtract these are two triangles areas. The first triangle is of base is the 2, height is the 2, of base into height. Okay students, minus here base is the 1 and also height is the 1 into 1. Okay students, now this is compared with root of a square minus x square. Dear students, in the integrations we have to know that the integral of root of a square minus x square. What is the students root of a square minus x square is? We know that integral of a square minus x square dx is the form x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. This is the formula. Dear students, we can write here a square is root 5 whole square. Now the x by 2, this is the form x by 2 root of 5 minus x square plus a square by 2. A square is the 5 by 2 Sine inverse of x by a. A is the root 5. The limits are -1 to 2. Okay students, -1 to 2. Now this is the area is the 2. 2 cancel. This is minus of 1 by 2. Minus of 1 by 2. Dear students, first we are substituting the upper limit. First we are substituting the upper limit. That means we got the 2 by 2 is the 1. 2 square. 2 square is the 4. 5 minus 4 is the 1. That is 1. Okay students. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. The sine inverse of 1 by root 5. This is when you are substituting the upper limit. Dear students, now we are substituting the lower limit. The minus of -1 by 2. 5 minus 1 is the 4. That is the 2. Dear students, we got -5 by 2. Sine inverse of -1 is there. We can write -5 by 2. Sine inverse of 1 by root 5. Now the last one is students 2 2 is 4. That is -5 by 2. Now we can write this is 1 plus 5 by 2. Sine inverse of 1 by root 5. How to write this one? Dear students, this is 2 2 cancel. Okay students, now this is minus of minus plus 1. This is 5 by 2. Sine inverse of. Dear students, we make the small mistake when we are substituting the 2. This is 2 by root 5. 2 by root 5. Okay students, now this is 5 by 2. Yes, 5 by 2. 1 by root 5. The last one is there, minus of 5 by 2. Dear students, 1 plus 1 is the 2 minus 5 by 2. Now we are taking the 5 by 2 is the common. Sine inverse of 1 by root 5 plus sine inverse of 1 by root 5. Dear student, 4 minus 1. This is the minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Sine inverse of 1 by root 5. Sorry students, again I write y. This is the 2. This is the 2. Okay. Now we can write this is. How to write students? This is the sine inverse of 2 by root 5. Just we can write this is when we are taking the theta. When we are taking the theta, this is sine theta equals to 2 by root 5. This is, we know that 2 by root 5. Okay students, opposite side by hypotenuse. That is, we know that hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. 5 minus 4 is the 1. Dear students, we can write this will be cos inverse of adjacent side by hypotenuse is the 1 by root 5. This is sine inverse of 1 by root 5. Okay students, now this is how to write this one students. This is, you can write minus of 1 by 2, 5 by 2 cos inverse x plus sine inverse x. We have to know in the inverse trigonometric functions, the cos inverse of x plus sine inverse of x is the pi by 2. This is the 5 pi by 4. What is the students? When we are taking the LCM is 4, dear students. When we are taking the LCM is 4. 5 pi 2 2 ja minus 2 square units. This is our required answer. Okay students. First I find out the area of this region. After that, subtracting these two areas of these two triangles, then we got the required area is 5 pi minus 2 by 4. Okay students. Dear students, now the second one, find the area bounded by the curve. The circle is given that x square plus y square equal to 25, and another one is 4y equal to modulus of 4 minus x square, and the x equal to 0 means, students, this is the y axis and the above x axis. Okay students, we have to find the area above the x axis and x equal to 0. Okay students, please concentrate here. So the first, draw the graph of the circle. Dear students, this is the equation of the circle. Y axis. When we are taking the x square plus y square equal to 25, this is the 5 comma 0. This is minus 5 comma 0. When we take x is 0, this is also 0 comma minus 5. Dear students, this is the 0 comma 5. This is the graph of the circle. Okay students, this is the origin. Dear students, when we are taking x equal to 2, undoubtedly we got 0. This is 2 and minus 2 also. So when we are taking the 2 0 and minus 2 0, now the another one is, now we can draw the graph of 4y equal to modulus of 4 minus x square. Okay students, modulus of 4 minus x square. Dear students, now we can write, when it is minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, we are taking, this is the 4 minus x square, this is positive. When it is minus infinity to 2, union 2 to infinity, suppose if you are taking 3, undoubtedly minus, we got here x square minus 4. X square minus 4. Dear students, when we are taking above 2, the graph will be this one. That means the 4y equal to x square minus 4. Therefore students, x square we got 4y plus 4. But we have to first observe the intersecting point. That is students, is there the circle is x square plus y square equal to 25 students. Now the x square is 4y plus 4 plus y square equal to 25. The y square plus 4y, dear students, this is the minus 21 equal to 0. How to write the students? This is 7 3s are. Now we can write y plus 7, y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay students, we got here the y value is 3 and another value is, dear students, y is 3 and y is minus 7. When we are taking y is 3, students, if y is 3, now we can identify the y is 3. Now we can identify the x coordinate is, how to students? This is whether you can substitute y3 either circle or the 4y equal to mod of 4 minus x square. Dear students, now when y is 3, how to substitute here? That is 4y, 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are is the 12. Dear students, 4 3s are 12 equal to x square minus 4. X square equal to 16. Dear students, x equal to plus or minus 4. What students? Plus or minus 4. Dear students, we can observe, then we are taking the 4. This is the 3. This is 4 comma 3. Dear students, 4 comma 3. Okay. 4 comma 3. Now we can draw the graph here like this. 4 comma 3. This is 4 comma 3. This is the line. Since we are taking, that is x square minus 4 is also graph, students. This is not a straight line. The x square is also graph. Therefore, students, we can write this is, how to write this, students? The graph undoubtedly we can written as like this. Okay. Now when we are taking the 0, students, undoubtedly when we are taking the x is 0 in this graph, when we are taking x equal to 0, then it is a 4, y must be 1. This is the 0, 1. Dear students, we got here. Now minus 2, when we are taking the minus 2, then it will be 0. This is the graph. Dear students, when we are taking x equal to minus 4, the minus 4 is, dear students, when we are taking minus 4, this is the 16, minus 4, 12, y will be the 3. Dear students, already I explained, when we are taking the minus 4, undoubtedly we got, undoubtedly, dear students, the minus 4 is the 3. This is the graph. Okay, students, this is the graph. Minus 4 is the 3 and plus 4 is the 3. Okay, students? Okay, students? Now, students, our required part, the x equal to 0 and above x-axis, we have to find the area, the above, dear students, the required area is, okay, students. Now, students, the required area, this is the line x equal to 0. This is the curve. These are, okay, students. Now I find out this area. First, please look at the students. Right now I find out this area. This is the x equal to 0 line. Okay, students. And the curve, first I find this area. How to find this area, students? The required area, I find out the required area is, students, here the required area is, dear students, the required area, we can find that required area equals to the integral 0 to 5. Dear students, the integral 0 to, what is the, students, here? We can draw this one like this. 0 to 4. Yes, this is area. This need not to take this part. Right now we have to take this area only. This part area. Okay, students, I will find this area. These are intersected, this one. This is the area 0 to 4. Root of y dx. Y dx is the 25 minus x square dx. In that, this area only I find out, this one and like this. Okay, students, I have to find out this area. Sorry, students, this is the area. All of you students, once again write. This is, suppose if you take 0, 5, and also we have to find this area. Dear students, when we are taking the 0 to 5, then also we have to find the 4 to 5 area. So that is extra burden. Therefore, we have to find, just you can observe the pen. marker. This is 1 right now. This is yes. This is okay. Therefore 0 to 4 25 minus x square. In that first one curve is there, 0 to 2, this curve. In between 0 to 2 we have to know that this is the 0 to 2. Yes or no? Dear students, we are know that what we are know that students, we know the 0 to 2 values are between like this. Now the 0 to 2 we can written as in between 0 to 2 we can written as y dx 4 minus x square by 4 dx, and also minus this area also. Dear students, this one also. We can subtract these two. How to subtract? This is 2 to 4. Dear students, 2 to 4. Above 2 to 4, the graph will be this one. 2 to infinity, we are taking x square minus 4 into dx. Okay students, let us now, into 4 is sending to the by 4. Let us now continue the calculations. Dear students, we have to know that this is a square minus x square. A square minus x square is the x by 2. Root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse of x by a. The limits are 0 to 4. Okay students. Now we have minus of 4 by 4 is the 1. 4 by 4 is the 1. Integral 1 dx is the x minus integral of x square is x cube by 3 4 ja 12. The limits are 0 to 2. Okay students. Now this is the integral of x square is x cube by 12. Okay students, minus 4 by 4 is 1, that is x. The limits are 2 to 4. Okay students. Now we can apply the upper limit and the lower limit. Now the calculations. Dear students, proceed. Proceed students. How to write this one? First, upper limit. We can substitute the upper limit. 4, that is 4 by 2 is the 2. Now 4 square is the 16. 25 minus 16 is the 9. That is, dear students, first we take in the 4 by 2, 2. This is the 3 minus, after that 25 by 2. Dear students, after that 25 by 2 sine inverse of 4 by 5. Okay students, sine inverse of 4 by 5. When we can take in the lower limit, 0 into this 0, 0 by 5, sine 0 is the 0. Then completely that is 0. Now students, the minus of, we can substitute the 2. 2 minus 8 by 12. Dear students, when we are taking the 0, 0, 0. Now this is students, minus of 4 cube is the 64 by 12 minus 4. Now we are substituting minus 2 cube is the minus 8 by 12 minus of minus plus 2. Dear students, 2 cube is the 8. Okay students, now its simplification is 2 3 ja 6, 25 by 2 sine inverse of 4 by 5. This is students, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja. Now this is 3 2 ja 6, 6 minus 2, 4 by 3. Dear students, we can write minus of 64 minus 8. 64 minus 8. This is the 56 students. 56 by 12. Okay, now this is 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Therefore, now this is 14 by 3. Now this is the minus 2. Okay, students. Now we can written as, now this is students 6 plus 25 by 2 sine inverse of 4 by 5 minus 18 by 3 minus of minus plus 2. Therefore, students, plus 6 minus 6 cancel. We got 2 plus minus 6 plus 6 cancel. 2 plus 25 by 2. The sine inverse of 4 by 5 square units. Please write down, students. This is the area. Okay. Dear students, the first function is modulus of x minus 2. Dear student, first we can write the graph of y equals to mod of x minus 2. We have to know that when x is less than 2, then it is when x is less than 2, undoubtedly when x is less than 2, that means if you are taking the 0, that is a minus. Therefore, we can write 2 minus of x. Okay, students, when x is greater than 2, it is always positive. 3 minus 2 positive. That is x minus 2. Okay, students, this is the y. So, the another one is given that the mod x equal to 3. Dear student, that is x equal to plus or minus 3. Dear students, now we can write the graph. How to write this one? We can write this one, students. This is the origin. When we are taking here, the mod is 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is the 0. This is the graph here. When we are taking the 2, after then 1, 2, these are the 3. When we are taking the greater than 2, 3 minus 2. When we are taking, this is 3 minus 2, 1. This is 4 minus 2, 2. Dear students, we got like this. When we are taking the 1, that is less than 1, 2 minus 1, 1, like this. When we are taking the 0, that is 2. Dear students, when we are taking the minus 1, that is 3. Now like this, the graph will be here. Okay, students. Now, suppose if you are taking the minus 2, students, this is minus 2, that must be 4. This is the graph, students. Okay. So, students, what we observe, the line first we take x equal to 3. So, when we are taking x equal to 3, this one like this. This is a parallel to the y-axis. This is the line x minus 2. Y equal to x minus 2. Students, what is this point is? When we are taking the x is the 3. When we are taking x is 3, y is the 1. 3 comma 1. Dear students, we can observe 3 comma 1. This is the x-axis. Okay, students. After the x equal to minus 3 is there. This is the students x equal to minus 3. This is the line x equal to minus 3. What is the point of intersection? X is the minus 3. Dear students, when x is less than 2, now substitute here minus 3 minus of minus plus 3 comma 5. This is the graph y equal to 2 minus of x. This is the y equal to 2 minus of x. Dear students, now the required area is y equal to mod of x minus 2 and mod x3, and the x-axis is nothing but y equal to 0. Therefore, the required area, students, this one and this one. How to find the students here the area? This is our required area, please. So the required area, this one. Okay, students. Now how to find this area? Dear students, this is the right angle triangle. This is also right angle triangle. The required area equals to. How to find this one, students? First, height is the here. Height is the undoubtedly 5. This is the 5. Now the difference is this is 2 comma 0. This is minus 3 comma 0. This is the distance is 5. Now dear students, this is the height 1. 3 minus 2 also 1. Therefore, the first we can find the area of this triangle of base. Base is the 5. Height is also 5. Now we can write the another triangle is there. Base is, this is 2 0, this is 3 0, between the distance is 1. Now the y coordinate is the 1. Dear students, we got this is 1 by 2 is the common. 25 plus 1, 26. The required area is the 13 square units. 13 square units. Understand, students? Students, the area of the region bounded by y equal to x minus step x. This is the fractional part of x. This is step x. Students, the interval is given that 0 to 2. This is 1. Okay, students. This is the 1. This is the 2. X minus step x. Students, when first we can draw the graph of x minus step x. Dear students, when we are taking x 0, y is also 0. When we are taking the 0.5, the step of 0.5, step function of 0.5 is 0. When we are taking the 0.5, we got 0.5. So 0.9, we got 0.9. Directly except 1. When we are taking the 1 minus 1 is the 0. Dear students, up to 1.9, suppose if you are taking the 1.9, this is the 1.9, this is 1, again got 1.9. This is the, dear students, this is the graph of x minus step x. This is the graph of x minus step x in the interval 0 to 2. Dear students, this is the graph of x minus step x in the interval 0 to 2. Now draw the graph of y equal to only step x. Dear students, we take the 0, 0. We take the suppose 0.9, then it is also 0. So 0.5 suppose 0. So this is. Okay, students, this we got this one. Suppose when we are taking, dear students, when we are taking here 1 is the 0. After that 1.9. How to write the students? When we are taking the 1.1 is 1. 1.5 is 1. Except this one, students, the complete except 2. When we are taking the 1.9 is also 1. So undoubtedly we can apply the here, students. When we are taking this is, when we are taking the 1 is 1. This means this is when we are taking the this one, this is nearer to. Already I explained 0.9 is 0.9. So nearer to 1. Therefore, students, we got this is here. when 2 is the 2, but 1.9 is also 1.9 is also 1.9 is also 1 for the step. 1.9 for this 0.9. Undoubtedly we got like this. So how to write, students? This is the distance 1. So what is the height of the here also? The height is also 1. Height is also 1. We have to know that this is the point 2 comma 1. Therefore the distance is height is also 1. We have to know that height 1, base 1. When the height and base, we know that area of the parallelogram, the required area is the area of the parallelogram. We know that base into height. Base into height. Therefore, dear students, the base is the 1, height is also 1. The required area is, students, the required area is the 1 square units. 1 square units. This is the graph of y equal to x minus step x and y equals to step x. Okay, students. Dear students, y equals to 5 mod sin x. Okay, x equal to 0 to x equal to 4 pi. Dear students, we can write this is 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. Dear students, we can write 5 sin x. When you can write here, the 5 you can write outside, mod of sin x. Sin 90 value 1. This is sin pi 0. Dear students, sin of 3 pi by 2 minus 1, mod of minus 1 plus 1. This is the graph. Yes, 2 pi to 3 pi. This is also positive. Again you got this one minus, but mod of minus 1 is the plus 1. How many we got here, students? 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we have to find this region area. Then you can write 4 times of. Okay, students. The required area is there 5. First you can write 5 into 0. First you can write 5 outside. 0 to pi y dx. Dear students, 0 to 5. Directly you can write the y is mod of sin x. In between 0 to pi, sin is positive. We can write directly sin x dx. The sign is positive in first and second quadrant. That's why you can remove the mod in between 0 to pi. Dear students, then also we can write the required area. How many times it is? 4 times. The required area is the 4 times of. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the required area we can write 4 times of the 5 into 0 to pi sin x dx. This is, students, 4 5s are 20. The integral of sin x is the minus of cos x. Minus of cos x. The limits are 0 to pi. Dear students, this is the minus 20. The cos pi value minus 1. Cos 0 is the 1. We can write 40 square units. 40 square units is the required answer. Okay, students, 40 square units. Dear students, now we have to find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equal to step of x plus 2. Step denotes the greatest integer function from the 0 to 3. Dear students, we are taking the 0 to 3. This is 1, this is 2. Now first, students, we can, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay students, how to write this one? Now first write students, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when we are taking here, first you are taking point, you can taking, dear students, 0, then it will be 2. Now write down, we draw the graph. 0 is the 2 directly, 0.5, therefore 0.5 plus 2, 2.5. 2.5 step is 2 up to here. This is the graph. Okay students, dear students, when we are taking the 1, when we are taking the 1 directly, 1 plus 2 is the 3. 1 plus 2 is the 3. Okay students, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Then we can write 1.5. 1.5 plus 2, that is 3.5 is also 3. This is students. Right students, when you can take directly 2, 2 plus 2 is the 4. When you are taking 2.5, 2.5 plus 2, 4.5, that is 4 students, except this region. Okay students, up to 2.9, when we are taking the 2.9, that is 4.9 is 4. So this is the graph, but we have to find the area in between 0 to 3. This is the y-axis. Y-axis means x equal to 0. So dear students, we have to find the x equal to 0. This is x equal to 0. This line is x equal to 0. Okay students, up to x equal to 3. This is the line, x equal to 3. Now we have to find this region. So in between 0 to 3, 1 is there, x equal to 1. This is x equal to 1. This is x equal to 2. Now we have to find these areas. Dear students, first we have to find the required area. First we have to find the area between 0 to 1. This is the rectangular. This is 1, this is 2. Height is the 2, base is the 1. Therefore, L into B, 2 into 1 plus, students, this is the 3, height is the 3, base is again 1. Now this is, students, we got 3 into 1. This is the 3 into 1. Okay students. Now this is, student, the height is the 4. That is 4 into 1. Base is also 1. Yes, students, we got 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3, 4 1 ja 4. Now the required area 9 square units. Okay students, 9 square units. Okay students, I am requesting you, please practice these graphs, watch the videos regularly, prepare the notes regularly. Thank you all.